You are going to love the 2017 Outback. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, dual seat cushion, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, center console with lighting, door courtesy lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.